Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about regular expression. So for that, obviously we require import RE. That is the module which we have to import. Now here we have one variable that is patterns. Okay, and we have some elements like nice. So they you can write anything actually. And we have one more variable that is text, and we have some message like today is Thursday. So have a nice day. Now what we are doing is we are checking that from the patterns if it is first element nice, so this word is there or not in this text variable. If it is there, then obviously it will print match, otherwise it will print not match. So likewise from the patterns, first nice will come and it will store into the pattern. Then next time so will come, and then next time day will come. So let's check the output of this. Control S and F5. See, it is match, match, match. Okay, but if I write some other words, for example, THE, which is right now not there. So Control S F5. So first and third is there, but the second one is not there. And suppose if I write, for example, here you all can see have is written, but instead of that full word, if I write H and A only, okay, Control S, not the full word, still we are getting match, match, and match. Okay, so basically this program is using regular expression, okay, and using the search function we are searching particular elements of the given list. Thank you everyone.